All right. Hey Marie, tell me about your lighthouse.
Well, I made it out of a project board.
Okay.
The bottom part is 3 feet, and that's what the height is of a project board. So that center part,
Yep.
I spliced it on the inside. I just slid it and then folded
Just
it.
scored it, okay.
Yes, and so I just made it into a square. I took a sponge, it had some speckledy on it, and lightly sponged my bricks. And then I just got some pictures off of the Google
So it was
Images.
already a white board. It was already white.
It was already white.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. And then this is a pizza box.
Marvelous.
And this is a pizza box.
Outstanding, yes.
So that's it.
Your top part up there. Tell me about
The
your
top part, this is electrical tape. And this is a clear overhead projector.
Ah,
And
okay.
so I just put them together with the tape.
Yep.
I actually went back and added the top and the bottom to give it
looks
more of a
nice.
finished look.
All right, the very top.
And the very top, this is a bowl that I got from Dollar General. They didn't have any this size at Dollar Tree.
Okay.
And then that's just a little styrofoam piece I painted white, and that's one of those little pop-up dome lights.
Yeah. All right.
And then I got my lantern at Dollar General also.
Oh, okay. DG, you can't go wrong with DG.
That's right.
All right, thank you, Maria. Harbison.